Seeing CLN or noticing your Ninja Espresso slowing down? Descaling clears mineral buildup from the internal system, and it's key to keeping your coffee hot and flowing properly. Here's when to do it and how. Step 1. Fill the water tank to the max line. Use a 1-to-1 ratio of descaling solution and water, or follow the instructions on your preferred descaler. Make sure the tank is fully seated. Step 2. Place a large mug or container under the outlet. It should hold at least 16 ounces to catch everything during the cycle. Step 3. Press and hold the clean button to start. Hold the clean button until the machine starts automatically. It will run in cycles for several minutes. Do not open or interrupt it. Step 4. Wait for the cycle to complete. The machine will stop on its own. You may hear pauses or bursts, that's normal. Step 5. Rinse and flush the system. Empty the tank, rinse it thoroughly, and refill with clean water. Run 2 to 3 water-only brew cycles to clear out any leftover solution. How often should you descale? Every month if using hard tap water, every 2 to 3 months with filtered or soft water, or whenever you see the CLN message. Descaling helps prevent brewing problems and keeps your espresso hot, smooth, and consistent. Need help choosing a descaler or fixing issues after cleaning? Ninja support is linked in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.